Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to install our Zenedit plugin on a Bitnami stack Redmine that is installed on Linux operating system. Okay, so the very first thing that you have to do is to go into your license manager and download the very latest Zenedit plugin, which in our case is 203. However, if you do not have a license, you could use the light free version of the plugin. In this situation, you have to go to our site, that is RedmineUp.com, and here you have to search into the plugins for Zenedit. Afterward, you have to click on download now and then enter your email address here. So the plugin will be sent instantly and automatically there. Okay, so the next thing that you have to do is to go into your core Redmine folder, which in our case is 4117. And here you have to find the manager Linux run file and double click on it. So the Bitnami Redmine stack is going to start. Here on the Manage Servers tab you have to click on Start All, and the database as well as the web server are going to be started. It is going to be done for a couple of seconds, so we have to wait a little bit. Okay, so it is running. Let's go and check if everything is fine. So we have just click on Access Redmine, but we'll have to wait a little bit because Redmine is started for the first time today. So it needs a little bit time. Okay, so we go into administration and then information, and then we see that we have a list of plugins here, and we are going to install Zenedit. Alright, so we go back and go to the downloads folder and unzip the file, the archive. So you have to go into the inner folder and copy this one, redmine/Zenedit. Then you have to go back to your Redmine folder and then enter the apps folder, then Redmine, and then htdocs, and here you have to search for the plugins folder. And here you have to just paste it. Alright, so the next thing that we have to do is that we have to open our command line, and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger for you. Okay, so we go into our Redmine directory, and here we execute the use Redmine file. It is a very important step. So it is done with /use Redmine. And now we are into our Redmine. So we change the directory to our core Redmine and then apps Redmine htdocs. Okay? So now we execute our first command, that is bundle install. It is going to install all the required gems for our Zenedit plugin. Okay, so the next thing that we have to do is to execute the migration command, which has one important thing here. Into the name section you have to set the name of the plugin we are going to install, which in our case is Redmine/Zenedit. So the migration is in progress now, and we wait a little bit. Okay, so our migration is done, and the very last thing that we have to do is to go to our Bitnami Redmine stack manager here, and we have to restart all processes. There is a button here, restart all. So the database as well as the web server are going to be restarted. Okay, the processes are restarted, so we go back into our page and just refresh it. And as Redmine is being shut down and started again, it also needs some time here for the restart. So we have to wait about 10 or 20 seconds. So we see that we are now done and the Zenedit plugin has just come up. Okay, so our job is successfully done. We have installed our Zenedit plugin on a Linux on a Redmine Bitnami stack. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you, and see you into the next one. Bye bye for now.